Thought for the day, Friday, September the 13th. Make love felt. Becoming one, that is love. Becoming one with all the people we come across during the day. Becoming one to the point that the one who is loved this way understands love and wants to love in turn. Thus, reciprocal love, the badge of Christians, also for the present, comes into being, as in the times of the first followers of Christ. Reciprocal love is Jesus' commandment par excellence, the life of the most holy Trinity brought down to earth. Perfect, radical reciprocal love, because it puts into practice the how, the extent, that of Jesus, who gave up everything of himself in his abandonment, even somehow his unity with God. Reciprocal love which, if lived this way, generates unity and the presence of Jesus amongst men. Chiara Lubich, The Art of Loving, Ciudad Nueva, page 93. The Word of Life for September 2024. Do not merely listen to the Word and so deceive yourselves. Do what it says.
We are members of the Focolare movement from several Latin American countries and from Italy. Did you like this video? Then give us a like and subscribe to channel Playing Campaign.